Forza! Forza!
The winner, another Miss Universe Figure Class 2, representing Italy, Laura Conte. Greg Mansfield and Val Charles come backstage. Thank you. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our 6 finalists. First 3 on their own, first 3 remain and leave the stage. The winner on our own, please. The winner on our own. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. If you just leave Flora on her own. Big round of applause for Flora. Thank you. How many? Tell the audience how many times you've competed in this competition.
6 years.
This is your 6th year in the universe. Congratulations. Well done. Well done.